Alright, so quick little tutorial on how to check the rear brakes, the drum brakes on one of these Honda Ranchers. This is a Honda Rancher 350. So it's actually pretty simple. Only need a couple tools and yeah, so here we go. First thing you gotta do, take the wheel off obviously. Move these cotter pins sitting right here. Once the cotter pin's out, you're gonna take this nut off. Now this hub should pull right out. Now we're going to have a couple bolts around the outside here. Loosen this up, and this is actually just a cover. You got to pry on this a little bit around the outsides here. Now what we do see in here is a lot of dust, a lot of brake dust. So, spins freely right here. Should be able to slide this right off. We'll loosen these up a little bit. See all the brake dust in there, deposits. Clean all that up. So we're looking at the thickness. The thickness looks pretty good. Just a lot of brake dust. But all in all, doesn't look too bad. I don't see any cracks. Just normal wear and tear. Alright, so you want to clean everything up real well. And then you can clean the splines, re-grease them. We put a little bit of grease on there. Fresh grease. Cleaned up this as much as we could. Line the splines up. Slide it right back on. Clean the cover up real good. The outside not so much. The inside we cleaned it up. Now you just want to line that up. Get that back on as well. Those are all snugged up real good. So clean these off. You can get some brake clean on here. Just make sure these are all nice and clean. Slide that back in. Then you want to torque that to factory spec. And put a new cotter pin in. Make sure it's free. And then adjust your brakes. Put the wheel back on and you should be good to go. Now spin this thing, make sure it makes no noises and it's free, but your foot brake works and your hand brake works. If that's all good, then you guys are good to go. If you have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. As always, God bless.